Hello, it's me Ashley, or should I say bonjour, c'est moi Ashley. Anyway, I'm stupid. Today we're going to be looking at day number 17 of the Birchbox Advent Calendar. Okay then guys, so inside number 17 we get this, a PK Prep Plumping Cream, obviously by Philip Kingsley. And it is an instant volume weightless thickening cream for your hair. I did originally, it was like thickening cream, thinking it was for your face and wondering what that was when I first opened the box. But it's for your hair, so it's a nice little product in there. Now, I did look this up online and obviously this isn't a full-size item. The full-size item is 100 mils and this one contains 20 mils. Now, the full size of 100 mils costs, well, from what I found online, around 16 to 20 pounds depending on where you're shopping. So it's you still get a decent amount in here then. So I'm just going to read the directions on the back and tell you what you should be doing with it. So it says to apply evenly throughout mid-lengths and the ends of towel dried hair. Blow dry and then style as required. Now, as you can probably tell, my hair isn't damp or just towel dried at the moment, so I was going to give this a little try, but it means I probably shouldn't if I want to give it a decent try. So what I will do then, guys, is the next time I wash my hair, I will try and get some footage in here before this video goes up of me using it, and hopefully I'll have time to do that. If I don't, I do apologise. So Philip Kingsley products are really nice, so I think this should be a really good kind of hair treat. I'm not entirely sure if my hair needs a vast amount of thickening. It usually can be quite thick. I'm just looking in the mirror to see what it looks like today. And so it might not be the bestest thing for me, but sometimes, you know, my hair does look a little bit limp and lifeless. So I think that this would be really nice on maybe a day when my hair needs just that bit more oomph. So hopefully I will get to show you guys that soon. Okay then guys, that was day number 17 of our advent calendar. If you've liked the video, then please hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And remember to subscribe if you haven't already, because it'd be fantastic to have you guys here and you'll get to know when my videos are uploaded, so that's super useful. Anyway, until my next video, thank you so much for watching and I will see you very, very soon. Bye bye.